Okay, looks like we've got quite a crew of sea kayakers today. Hopefully they're ready to go up to the national park. Okay, are we ready?
Okay.
Alama?
Okay.
你没有戴帽子吗？
车上没关系啊。
你会晒红？
晒红了没办法。
Okay. All right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Okay, here we are entering the bridge, Sichao. Once we go under this bridge, we'll be in the wildlife refuge, wetlands area. Sometimes getting under this bridge can be a little tricky, but it looks like it should be okay today. Okay, we've made it safely to the other side. Everything should be a lot more peaceful, calmer out here. We won't have so many waves to deal with. All right, demonstrate your roll for us. How does the water here taste? Same as out there? A little better, a little worse? Less salty? This is just beautiful in here. Smooth as glass. A few coconut trees in the distance. We got fish. We got fish swirling right in here. This is cool to have 6 people. I never thought we'd have I never thought I'd find 6 kayakers in one place in Taiwan. And then in Tainan too. Hello! Hello! All right, tourist boat. Whoa! Oh, yeah! All right. Oh my God, did you see that? Whoa! Okay, that was fantastic. Had that, we think that's a Hawaiian ladyfish. Jump right over my boat. And now we're getting into the real mangrove. And the birds in here are just incredible. Okay, this is our departure from the estuary and back onto the high seas. Once we're under the bridge, we'll be back in open ocean. Right. Oh, there. Okay. 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 Ooh, is it too much? Yeah?
不行，不行，不行。别踩。OK， 我知道。你左你左。
Okay, you gonna hold it for me? Okay, I've never done this before. Come on from the back. Okay. Okay.
这个这边。
Okay. Ooh, okay. What? Going to the beach? Water bottle. Here. Hey, you get that. Thank you. Okay, so it appears that the kayaking trip is getting cut short. One of our members was too tired. Couldn't keep his balance in the sea kayak. We tried several things. Our final solution was just to switch boats. My boat is a lot more stable, not so tippy, so when you're fatigued you can still go with it. He's pretty darn tired, but he's doing okay. He's making forward progress. He's not tipping over, and we're almost at the beach. So I'm just going to hang back here, keep an eye on him. And I think this is the end of his day. He's going to have to be here at the beach, get some water and some rest and shade, and one of these other guys will have to come pick him up. The story ends. We're leaving one of our members here on the beach while the rest of us head back to the island, and we will come back to get him. Okay, bye.